Oga, I beg you, follow us move go station.
That's right.
To do what in your station? Is my license not valid? It's valid. You find anything incriminating with me? So what do you expect me to come and do in your station? You think I'm jobless? I don't have anything to do for today? If you need me in your station, invite me officially. So I will check if it's convenient for me. If it's convenient for me, I will be there. I will come.
Can you imagine?
See the way this guy they talk now, you know himself.
He be like, who get one
He be
big
like, who
Oga.
no person, who don't give him it's a bad market.
How far clear?
He clear. Oga, take your problem, make it go. Kind of problem, make it go.
Because say you dey feel say you know one big Oga for our office now, you want the pump, they show yourself.
See, no be by Oga, no be by. See, now we did the feed. Anything we talk here, now we go tell Oga, now Oga go here.
Not true.
But we go see for front.
You go back.
Why are you running?
Calm down.
Gentlemen, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, officer.
Please come down with your papers. Are you not aware that your papers are expired?
I'm aware. I will renew it this week.
Just a plea.
Let's see your driver's license.
Officer, I don't have a driver's license.
And you are driving. Please, you follow us to the station. Let me have the keys.
Oga,
Okay.
don't make that mistake.
If you need me in your station, invite me officially. If it's convenient for me, I will be there. I'll come. Where did you say I should follow you to?
To the station, of course.
And you think I'm jobless? You think I don't have what I'm doing, right? You just stopped me on the way and you're asking me to follow you to the station. Have we met before?
Who go see them mad?
Oga, if you want me in your station, you have to invite me officially. And I will check my time. If it's convenient for me, I will come.
Okay, fine. Now that you want us to invite you to the station, please, when will you be free to come?
Give or take. Tomorrow will not be a bad idea.
We'll be expecting you.
Thank you. Please, can I have my papers?
Sure.
Ada command, right?
Yeah, very well.
I will see you tomorrow.
All right. Officer, allow him to go.
So you were the man that was driving with an expired paper?
Yes, officer.
Without driving license?
Officer, I'm the one.
Constable,
Sir.
take this man to the cell.
Put your shirt near your cell.
And for what now? You invited me and I came here by myself. Why do you want to lock me up?
Oga, say put your shirt.
Yeah.
This evening you will die.
Shebi you dey fair invitation. You see this key? I'll go give that fish wey swallow Jonah.
I feel black, wicked.